Good day to all divine beings of light. As far as our course is concerned, as I already told you, that we are going to tell you more about angels, about the numbers, angel numbers, and the invoking and everything that is goes beyond the angels and archangels. So let's talk about the angels now. Our angels are never blind to your tears, never deaf to your prayers, and never silent to your pain. They see, hear, and will deliver what you need. Angels are loving beings of light, sent from God to assist us. They also have other functions such as looking after nature, the elements, countries, and the planets, amongst others. There are different groups of angels with various functions. Most people would have a greater knowledge of angels than they think. We have come across angels throughout the ages in literature, including the Bible, paintings, the arts, and so forth. Some types of angels include guardian angels, archangels, seraphim, and cherubim. Of course, there are many more different types of angels. The angels are always with us and waits to assist in our lives if requested. They cannot intervene without being asked by us to help. As humans, we all have free will, and this might mean for some people that they choose not to work with the angels. In my experience, there are no downfalls to asking the angels for help, and only untold benefits. It is wise to ask the angels to always be with us and to aid us in all areas of our lives. When we open up to the angels, we can begin to see wonderful synchronicities in our lives and to become in tune with the universe and ultimately to find and understand our purpose here on earth. The key is to constantly ask the angels for assistance in all areas of our lives, as sometimes we can forget to ask for their help. Once we have asked for assistance, trust that help is on its way. This may not always come in the form that you were expecting, but it will always be the right thing for you at that point in time. It can sometimes be difficult trusting in the angels at first, and if this is something that you are struggling with, you can also ask the angels to help you to trust in them. And always remember to thank, to give gratitude to the angels. Once you have asked for assistance, if you need extra reassurance, you can always ask the angels for a sign that they are with you. There are many ways for angels to communicate with us, but the easiest way at the beginning for most people is through feeling their angel's presence. Angels bless us and the world. Love and light from the Soul Reviver, Sandhya. Thank you.